Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be my Grove collaborative unboxing. Now I did actually have to unbox this a little bit because I was actually having company over and I got my order in the mail and I desperately just wanted to like wipe down my bathrooms just to make sure that they were spotless before anybody got here. So I did have to dig into the box just a little bit just to find one product. I did find it. It took everything in me not to open up anything else. Like when I show you guys inside, you can totally tell like I didn't touch anything. But it took everything inside of me not to touch it because I just wanted to dive in so bad, smell everything, look at everything, see the free products I got, but I didn't. So this is going to be all new for me and you. So just a little insight on Grove Collaborative. They are a monthly subscription service where every month they'll send you new products right to the convenience of your doorstep, so you don't even have to worry about going to like Target, ShopRite, wherever you go to get cleaning products. You don't even have to worry about going there and getting them because it's literally the easiest thing ever. If you like remember while you're doing the dishes that you need more dish soap, after you're done doing the dishes you just log onto your account, add it to your cart, and then once a month they will send out those products for you. So easy, like it's a no-brainer, and I absolutely love it. This is, like I said, this is my very first box ever from Grove Collaborative. I don't know why I didn't jump on the bandwagon a long time ago, but I'm excited to show you guys what's inside. So when you first open up the box, I'm going to try to not move the table too much so my camera doesn't shake. This is what it looks like inside. It has a cute little personalized packaging slip that just says thank you. I know it's not much, but you know, it's just something nice that, you know, they do for you to make it seem like they care. And then there's a little card that says so happy to meet you, and it says healthy, beautiful home. This wasn't inside of this though when I got this, so I was just like, oh, okay. It says, on behalf of Grove, welcome to our community. I'm thrilled to introduce you myself as a dedicated Grove guide. I'm here to ensure you have an amazing Grove experience. Please reach out to me via email or text if I can help you in any way, or if you just want to say hi. Your happiness is my priority. I will always respond as quickly as possible. Thank you for choosing Grove. I'm excited to support your journey in maintaining a healthy, beautiful home. Actually, when I placed my order Saturday morning in my bed. It was so easy. She actually texted me after and she was like, hi, I'm Annie from Grove, you know, just like making sure that you had a great experience. If you have any questions when you receive your products, I'm here, reach out to me. So I thought that was awesome that, you know, they even like texted you and, you know, just wanted to make sure that you were having like a great experience. I don't know if it was really Annie or if it was like just, you know, a mass message that goes out to everybody. I'm not sure, but it did make me feel special. The first product that I am going to show you is the one that I did have to go and open up because I had to clean my bathrooms, is the Method Anti-Bac Bathroom Cleaner in Spearmints. This stuff smells amazing, like absolutely amazing. I did my bathrooms and it just smelled so clean and I just loved it. It smells so good. I have never used Method products before. I've seen them in Target and like places like that, but I've never actually picked it up just to see, you know, even if I liked it or not. I just always walked right by it. But when I seen that Grove sold the Method, I was like, you know what, let me try it. So I definitely love this. I love that it's antibacterial and like it kills all those germs. You can use this in bathroom surfaces, sinks and fixtures, tubs, glazed tile, or toilet seats. I literally sprayed this every inch of my bathroom. So I definitely love this, love the smell. And when Mike came in the house as well, he was like, what's that smell? It smells really good. So I definitely like this. I did think that, you know, it did work. Some products, you know, you use and they don't even work, but I definitely like this. Okay, now to dive into the rest. I'm excited. I'm like finally like gonna be able to dig through this. Okay. So here we go. Oh, let's do this first. Okay, so this is the Grove Collaborative 16-ounce spray bottle. Let's open it up. And this was actually free with my order. All I spent, by the way, was $20. That is it for everything in this box, just $20. Let me see if my packaging slip actually even says my total. No, it doesn't say my total, but I'll show you guys exactly like how much stuff that we have to go through. All of that, and all I spent was $20. So I'm so excited. So this is the spray bottle. I really wanted this because I just love it. I think it's so cute. And it is glass. Look how cute. It says Grove Collaborative. I got the purple one. I don't know if there's different colors, but I really like this, and I love that it's glass. It's so cute, and it was free. So I like the little box too. I feel like you can even gift these things. Like, I don't know if you would really want a spray bottle, but it's cute. These would actually make a great gift for like a housewarming. We actually went to a housewarming last weekend, and I wish that like I did this for her, because I feel like if somebody gave me this box of like stuff for a housewarming, I'd be so excited, because I like buying house products, like cleaning products and like things like that. So if somebody gifted me like all this, I'd be like, oh my god, like this is so exciting to go through. The next thing that I got was this Method Glass and Surface Natural Derived Glass Cleaner. I needed this so bad. I ran out of glass cleaner, and right now my windows are just so filthy. I cannot wait to clean after this video and use all these cool products. So let's see what this one is. This scent is mint. It's definitely mint. It smells very minty. Not like peppermint, but like a mint, like a spearmint kind of. It smells really good. With ammonia-free planted-based power green technology. Also, everything is natural and like, I guess organic you would call it. I guess it is nice to have like these kind of products in the house if you know you have little ones running around. The next one is Method Anti-Bac Toilet Cleaner. This is in spearmint as well. So I'm going to imagine that this and this go together. I also decided to go with all the spearmint smells so that it was like Christmassy, because you know Christmas is right around the corner. Let's see what that smells like. This one smells really good too. I love when, I don't know why, but I have a I think it's a Lysol. It sells toilet bowl cleaners, and that one is mint as well. And I just love the way that the bathroom smells minty after, so I'm really going to like this. I hope that this works good. Now to dive into, oh wait, do I have any more Method? Yes, I have one more Method product, and this is Method Daily Shower. This is what I was so excited to get. My shower is so disgusting and it is almost embarrassing. I clean my shower all the time, but I just feel like the soap scum is like so hard to get rid of. I've used magic erasers, I've used scrubbing bubbles, I have used everything. So I'm really hoping that this helps. I really am so excited to clean my bathroom after this. So I'm really hoping that this helps and gets rid of all that like nasty soap scum. I mean, I literally clean my shower nonstop, and I just feel like no matter what, it still doesn't have that sparkling, clean look to it. So, I mean, does anybody else relate to that? Because I talk to my mom, I talk to friends, talk to my nanny, like everyone, and everybody says the same thing. Like, you know, it does sometimes get like that, especially with the seasons changing and stuff. But please let me know if you guys have that same problem. And if you do, what products do you recommend on using? Okay, this one is eucalyptus mint. I'm not a fan of eucalyptus, to be honest, but I think this was the only scent that they had for this daily clean shower. I'm not really a fan of eucalyptus. I don't know if I like the smell, but if it works in my shower, I can get over the smell. Okay, now what made me even place this order was the Mrs. Meyers. I'm so excited. So the first one is the Mrs. Meyers Clean Day. I use this every day in my house. I have the pumpkin one right now. I can't wait to get rid of it and start using this one. And this is the Mrs. Meyers Clean Day Multi-Surface Everyday Cleaner. I'm just so excited to use this and to start spraying my house so it smells like Mrs. Meyers Christmas. Okay, so good. This literally smells like a Bath & Body Works candle. Oh my god, this smells so good. So good. I have to get my mom to come over and smell all this stuff because she likes the Mrs. Meyers too. So if she likes all this stuff, I will definitely be getting it for her. This smells so good. I give this like not 1 out of 10. This is definitely a 10. This smells amazing. I love that. The next one is, let's say in order, the Mrs. Meyers Clean All Day The same scent. This is the dish soap though. I love the dish soap, especially like to get festive. It makes me like excited to do the dishes. This is probably gonna smell the same. This isn't as strong. I mean, it still smells good. It smells really good, but the multi-surface cleaner definitely has like a way stronger smell. This is I guess not as smellful. I don't know what the word I'm looking for, but maybe once it's like in the soapy water or in like the hot water, like you'll be able to smell it. And then the next one is the hand soap, and I love having these on my counter throughout the seasons. I think I always have a Mrs. Meyers dish soap. That's like all I use for some reason. Like I just love it, and it doesn't make your hands crack. Maybe because it's made with like the aloe vera and the olive oil, so maybe that's why it helps not like crack your hands. I'm wondering if the dish soap is made with that, so like it helps. So the scent is a cool peppermint with just a hint of vanilla, can warm your heart and soothe your soul. So that is probably why I love it, because I love peppermint and I love vanilla. So they're like, this one is the Mrs. Meyers Iowa Pine scent. This one is so good as well. I just love, love, love this. I had this one last year. I never had the peppermint one before. This one says crisp Iowa pine with a touch of clove and cedar. Has a scent that's as fresh as just cut Christmas tree. What could possibly be This is Mike's favorite scent, the Iowa pine. He loves this one, and actually like when we go to Bath and Body, that's like all he wants is like the pine smells. So I'm not opposed to it because it's one of my favorite smells too. Yeah, the multi-surface cleaner smells so much stronger. My camera died in the middle of me filming, so I had to go change the battery really quick. But like I was saying, the multi-surface cleaners really do have so much of a stronger smell than like the like these kind of soaps. But I think it might be because when you put the hot water on them, it might like, you know, make up stronger. That's what I'm thinking. Plus the multi-surface cleaners probably also like work as like almost like an air freshener, so that's probably why it's a little bit stronger. So the last thing is my Caddy. I'm so excited to use this and put it out in my bathroom for Christmas. It's so cute. So this is what it looks like. It is so cute, and it says Grove Collaborative. This is so cute. I love this so much. I can't wait to use this. I actually think I'm gonna like stick it out in my bathroom to like almost use it as like a decoration through Christmas. It's so cute. I love it. And the last thing I got were the sponges that everybody gets. I think everybody gets these when you're the first time subscriber. They throw it in your box for you. So I'm really excited to use these. I love how like all the packaging is. It's just so cute. Ta-da! Look at how cute! All of my Mrs. Meyers is in my little Grove thing. I feel officially official. Alright guys, so that is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed my little unboxing. If you did, please give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on your bell notifications for future videos. And I will see you guys in another one. Bye.